Associative arrays are those arrays which use name keys, or we can say which use name instead of index numbers. There are two ways to create an associative array. So to create an associative array, we will use the same technique as index array, but little bit different in syntax. So let's start with an example. I will create a variable like just before we have done in indexed arrays, and we'll create an array function. Here is the difference between associative array and indexed array. Now I will create a name through which we can access our associative array and assign marks to Peter. We will also create another name and will assign marks to Parker. Now to print out, I will use the same technique as we have used in index array. So I will echo out and use a string. Peter got concatenated with our array variable, and inside I will declare a name. Through this variable we can access our array element. And now concatenate it with another string. Peter got 80 marks. M-A-R-K-S. And before that I will just put a space, not the A, semicolon. There is also another way to create an associative array, and is the same technique also used for index array, but a little bit different in syntax. I will tell you. First of all, I will again put a br tag to break the row, and will create another variable marks2. Here is the difference between associative and index array. In associative array we just put a name here, and I will put again same name, got 80 marks2 Parker, and will assign 75 marks. The difference between this syntax of associative array is only to use index number instead of name. Here we can use 0 for an indexed array and name for an associative array. So I will undo that. Now to echo this array, we will use the same technique as the above. So I will copy the above code and put it here, and will save our code in array folder with the name of associative array. The extension of PHP. Now to access this, we will use our old technique. Go to array folder and then click our associative array.php file. Now you can see that both of the array have done the same function.